In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete the FERPA waiver in the Common App. It's probably something that you hear quite often because the FERPA waiver needs to be completed in order for us as an Owen J. Roberts School District to send any records over to the schools that you're applying to. So you probably keep hearing FERPA, 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 and this is how you ensure that you do have that FERPA waiver signed in your Common App. So when you log into your Common App, you're going to, again, open up to the dashboard. You're going to click on My Colleges, and in the first college that you have listed, you're going to go ahead and click on Recommenders and FERPA. As you can see, this already has a green check because I've already completed this at another time to show another student how to complete it. But for the sake of this video, we're going to pretend that that green check is not there, and we're going to be completing it for the first time. So you're going to go ahead and click on Recommenders and FERPA. You're going to go ahead here and you're going to click on FERPA Release Authorization without the green check again because I've already completed this, but for you it'll be the first time. You're going to go ahead and click Release Authorization. There's going to be some stuff to read on the first page, basically the instructions that kind of go over the form. When you're done reading them, you're going to go to the bottom and click I have fully read and understood the FERPA Release Authorization explanation above. Then you're going to click Continue. After you read everything and click Continue, you're going to go ahead and authorize that every school that you have attended has the right to release all requested records and recommendations to the colleges in which you're applying to for admissions. All those schools are going to be the ones that are listed in your My Colleges tab. Then you're going to select that you waive your right to review all recommendations and supporting documents submitted by me or on my behalf. And then you're going to go ahead and say that you understand that your waiver or no waiver selection above pertains to all colleges to which you apply, and that your selections on this page cannot be changed once you sign and click and save below. So you're going to go ahead and type your name in, and then the date will auto-populate, and you'll click Save. And then it'll show up with the green check and that it's complete here and within each one of your colleges. You don't need to do the FERPA waiver for each college. Just doing it one time will apply itself to all colleges. As you can see when I click West Chester down here, it has that the Recommenders and FERPA waiver is done. So that's all you really need to do to make sure that the FERPA waiver is complete. Once that FERPA waiver is complete, you can go over to Naviance and actually match your account to match your Common App to your Naviance account, and that allows us to send everything over. We'll show you how to match your account in another video, but that's all for now. Thank you.